Everyone, hello everyone, this is your girl Miss Rita F Brewer for you. I hope you are doing well. I want to take this time to say God bless everyone who is following me, and also God bless every person who is new on my page. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This is your girl Miss Rita F Brewer. I bless God for everybody's life. Today in this video, I know you guys have seen the video that I use the coffee water spray for my hair. So this time I'm gonna do ginger with MSM. Somebody advised me to try MSM in my remedy for today, guys. So wherever you are, please stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Let's go to the intro and let's start. Yeah. Okay guys, now we have gone to the intro. Before I will start, I just want to measure my hair now. I know I don't have enough, but I appreciate what God has given me. So before I go ahead, I want us to see the length of my hair first. So this is my front hair. So all the way here. Okay, this is where my front hair stop. And then we'll do the side. So we're gonna measure the side as well. Okay, so let's go all the way here. Okay, and now the back is all the way here. So that's how long my hair has grown. So now let's go and use ginger and MSM. But before we go in, what is MSM? SM is known as sulfur-rich compound with anti-inflammatory property. There's also some inclusive research on its effectiveness with hair growth and retention. MSM sulfur may be found essential to straighten the catching in the hair and influence hair growth. Now, what is ginger? Let's look at ginger. Ginger helps improve the circulation of the scalp while also stimulating each hair follicle, which in turn promoting natural hair growth. There are many vitamins, minerals, and fatty acid in the ginger also contribute to straighten your hair standard to combat hair loss, and ginger contributes to restoring moisture, losing hair. So guys, this is the two ingredients that I'm using, MSM and ginger. So let's get into it. So guys, I know I've already measured my hair, but I'm thankful to God Almighty for how far my hair has grown. So I want to do one more time. Watch it carefully before we try the MSM and the ginger. Measuring my front edges enough, pulling my edges when I do protective hairstyle or pull ribbon or putting African thread on my hair. That is causing my edges not to grow. Are you guys ready, guys? I decided to shave my edges. I know this is not what you want to hear. Yes, I shave my edges, guys. You can see. So I will not do the mistake that I was doing before. I don't know if you guys can see it. So I've shaved my edges. So guys, this is my shaving hair. As you've seen it, this is where the arrow is showing where I shaved my hair. And I've been using the ginger and the MSM for 2 weeks since I shaved my hair. But before I start using, I have to braid my hair. So I braid my edges. Check the video on my YouTube channel to see how I did my braid. So I use it for, after the braid, I've using the MSM and the ginger for 2 weeks. So guys, you can either spray it in your hair under your scalp and massage it, or you can drink the MSM, not the ginger, the MSM, because it's really good to boost your immune system. Okay, so guys, you can see, look at that, I have started growing my edges. My edges have started growing, guys. So without wasting much time, let me show you guys how I do it and how I use it on my edges or even under your scalp. All you need is a massage. Massage goes a long way to regrow your hair or your edges. So guys, before I start, let me entertain you guys more. Okay, Alright guys, let's get into the video. Let's start the MSM and the ginger. Simple. Don't forget to subscribe. Watch to the end. Like, share, comment. God bless you. All right guys, now I'm going to demonstrate how to use it. My edges is dry, but I've already put small water there. So if you are using it, and it can really dry your hair, so make sure you spray your hair, not just the edges. You can use it all over your hair. Make sure you spray your hair with a little bit of warm water before you apply on your hair. But for me, because I've wet a little bit, so I put black castor oil on my edges before I spray the ginger and the MSM on my hair. So guys, let me leave you guys and watch how I do it. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. May God bless you. Try this and you will never regret of trying. God bless you. Bye. See you on my next video. Ciao Bella.